Hi, welcome to MarineMax Miami. I'm Robert Borges, and today we're on board a 21 SPX Sea Ray. This is a brand new 2020 model, and it's powered by a Mercury 150. The boat is a great starter boat. It's a great family boat. This boat will get you onto the sandbar and around to the areas for some nice dining and just family activities, whether you're out skiing or tubing with the kids. It's a very comfortable boat. You have a lot of storage all throughout the boat, in deck, as well as under the passenger side to keep all items dry. 2 bucket seats, 2 bucket captain's chairs, which are extremely comfortable, with bolsters to lift you up and give you good visibility over the windshield. If you come and look over on the dash, we have an integrated navigation GPS system with bottom finder and sonar as well, your Fusion stereo, and analog and digital information on the dash as well. In the back, we have a built-in cooler. Just keeps your drinks nice and cold and insulated, and you also have a pull-out cooler that you can take on and off board with you. If you continue back to the stern, we have a massive amount of storage space to keep all your water toys and any other accessories you want to bring along on your trip. And this has a neat feature where you have a backrest in the back seating, so those days when you're out on the sandbar and you want to just kind of take a look on what's going on behind you, you have a nice seat here to do that. And finally, you have the integrated ski pole on this boat, which is great for any kind of water sports activities. And you'll be nice and covered with the bimini top, which you can have in the up or down position, depending on the day. So this is our new 2020 210 SPX from Sea Ray. Come visit us in Miami at 700 Northeast 79th Street. Looking forward to seeing you soon.